Hey babes, welcome back to the channel. So I'm back today with a new video, and in today's video I'm featuring RPG Wig. This is a brown with some super pretty caramel highlights. The color job on this is phenomenal. They did an amazing job. This is a 13x6 lace frontal wig with tinted Swiss lace. Honestly, looking at this wig out of the package, it looks like it's pre-cut. That's how invisible the lace is. It doesn't look like there's lace attached to this wig. Like every single time I review an RPG show wig, I'm just amazed at the quality of the materials used. So this is a standard density. You can customize your wigs on RPG Show. So if you are unfamiliar with them, definitely stay tuned to watch me get into this wig. All details and links will be down below in the description box in case you are interested. But right out of the package, I showed you what this wig looks like. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this texture. This is such a realistic looking wig. I mean, from the texture to the luster to the density, everything about it says natural. Not to mention that 13x6 parting space is going to give you the most natural scalp-like look. It's just something about a wig that parts all the way back, and you can part this on either side. Of course, I have a middle part, but if you are a side part person, you can definitely part this to the side. I also show you what this looks like up in a bun because you can style this in many different ways. This wig is so versatile.